Hello YouTubers, what we are going to do today, and hopefully a quick video, is make these little embroidery hoops with some paper. I made some Christmas ones, and then this paper reminded me of Blanche's bedroom on Golden Girls. So it's hard to see, but it's got little different Golden Girls quotes, and thank you for being a friend. But this paper reminded me of her bedroom. So anyway, you can use them for, and this is just going to hang up in my craft room, so you can use them for, you don't have to just be for Christmas. So let me just show you what you need. Alright, so you're going to need some paper. I went to, this is all from Hobby Lobby in the scrapbooking section. And also, like, this would be really cute for 4th of July. This would be cute for winter. So you don't just have to do ornaments. We'll probably have a couple that'll just hang in my craft room for decoration. So, but paper, and then obviously an embroidery hoop. I got a whole set of like really colorful ones off Amazon. That's where the green one from the Golden Girls quote came from. And then I got a set of, this is a 3-inch one, and then the 4-inch ones. They're from Amazon too. And then this one I just spray painted. I seem to like them better when they're spray painted and not the natural color. But that's personal preference. So I just took them apart and sprayed them. And then some kind of stain to put on your paper. We're going to do Oh Holy Night. This is HTV. You can use HTV on paper. You can also use any of the adhesive vinyls with some transfer tape and a trusty scraper. Any of those will work. That's all kind of personal preference and what you have in the craft stash. Pencil, paper, trusty hot glue gun, and then some kind of string for your ornament to hang or wall decoration to hang from. Alright, so first thing you're going to do is you're going to take these guys apart. And then I've been using this inside ring as my kind of measuring ring. So I like to draw on the back of them, so you won't see any pencil marks from the front. And then use your pencil to draw a circle. Alright, so then take your scissors. Now if you have one of the cutting machines, you could probably get away with just making some circles and cutting them out with paper, but I don't want to go through all the trouble with the machine. So then you're just going to take your scissors and cut it out. And you're going to want to stay pretty close to that circle-ish. So there is our words. And then whatever saying you've decided to do, you're going to want to make sure you line it up with your pattern. And then I'm just going to go put this guy in the heat press real quick and attach it. Now you can, and all you're going to do is like, I don't know, paper is pretty forgiving. I have a bigger tutorial on this if you want to watch it, but paper is pretty forgiving in the heat press. So just press it for, I say 300-ish for 5-ish seconds. Alright, so after you have your seam on, let's put our hoop back together. And then I just like to squeeze them together as much as they'll go. They don't fit together as well once they've been spray painted. And then I like to have this guy on the right. I don't think it really matters. But, so we're going to flip this guy over. And then once your hot glue gun warms up, alright, so we're going to put hot glue all the way around. I like to leave the top. I like not to put any there at the top, just because you might run the risk of seeing it. And you normally can get away with kind of wiggling them a little bit. Alright, so hot glue it onto the back. And there you go. And then what I've been doing for the cords, or for tying a knot in it, and then coming through the back with the opening. And then, so there you go, it's around the top that way. And then I really would like to put something at the top, but I don't have anything right here at the house with me. So, but a bow would be really cute. You can also put greenery or any of the other multitudes of little Christmassy stuff that is at the store. And then there you go. And these would also be great for like a crafting round table at Christmas. You know, because they're really easy and quick. So, if you have any questions, please let me know. And I'll be back with another video soon.